What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the fuel pump relay on this 2012 Ford Escape. If your fuel pump's not working, this may be the culprit, but you want to make sure that you check the inertia switch or the fuel shutoff switch before. And if you need this part or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Underneath the back of the vehicle, we have the vehicle raised up. Right above the rear axle is the fuel pump relay right here. To disconnect the connector, you just push down on the little tab, slide it down. I'm going to check and make sure there's no corrosion in that connector. If any of those connectors are green, then they need to be addressed. I'm going to take a 8mm socket and a ratchet and take these two bolts out. I'm just going to hold the module while I take this other bolt out. Slide the module up. Here's the old fuel pump relay. Here's the new fuel pump relay from 1aauto.com. If you look at the mounting holes, they're in the same spot. The index pin is in the same spot. The shape is the same. The connector is the same. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. Take the relay, slide it up into position, and take the bolts, get one started. Then I'll take a 8mm socket and ratchet, tighten these down. Remember, it is plastic, so just snug, not too tight. I'll take the connector, line it up, lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.